Okay, I'm heading off in that direction, on the other side of that mountain that you see sticking up over there. And over there's supposed to be a grid of roads that was an old camp, military camp. General Patton's training grounds for his tanks and General Sherman out in that way. So I'm going to go out there and go check it out and see if it's worth going out there with my metal detector to see if I could maybe find some old coins in that somebody might have dropped back in that day. There's a lot of GIs around at that time. So I'm just going to drop down in this, follow this arroyo out until I finally come to the road. Okay, here we go, cross country. Yeah. I should have Graham Jarvis it there, but at a distance. Now I'm in a worse bind. Here's where the grab handle comes in handy. Right there. Okay, let's try this again. Wow, look at this rugged territory. Caramba, caramba. Do I want to go down there? Will I be able to come up there? That's the thing. Doesn't look too user friendly there. There's another road, so I'm going to try it. And I was on the other side of this hill, and it was a steep drop down. And this one looks like it's a little mellower, so let's give it a try. See what we got here. kind of place you don't want to drop off into a damn rut, man. I'm telling you, it don't look too cool down there. Forget out. Let me see if there's another way out of here if I have to. I don't know. Take a peeky. I don't like to get too blocked, man. Especially in shit like this. It's really slippery. Try to stay off camera. Matter of fact, the only way up, man, let's see, you have to hit it hard and heavy and then drop into this. I don't feel like fighting it myself. Too far out here by myself. Be fighting that bad boy. Now I got to turn the contour around here. Let's see. Let me drag its butt over into the rut here. I at least want to be heading uphill. More down. Come on, little Katumi. Go down the hill. We do a little breathalyzing here. Uphill. Yeah. Come on, Jerry, flop Ray. Hoo hee hoo 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 ha. Damn, I'm tired, and this is only, I think, 2,500 foot elevation here. Come on, Katoon. Yes. A little deer in the alley here. Slippy clutchy. Go, man. Don't let that go.